forward. Ayan, this is really a park wherein sa mga pet lover dyan, you could walk around dito with your pets. And of course, even for your children, because we have the play area here. Diba? So, ang laki ng natin ng open space dito sa capital town so that you could really enjoy. So, this is update for this 2025. So, don't forget to comment down below a positive and no to bashing, okay? Positive comment down below if you have further questions or if you want to invest here dito sa capital town, feel free to message us and yun, we will going to assist you and let's your dream property make it happen, no?
Yes.
Aside from that, we also have the gazebo, and if you've noticed, there are mga tourists already na take ng photo shoot, I believe, no?
And
Ayun,
mga
no?
residents here in San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes. So, yun. Let's go pa sa other updates dito sa capital town. So, as we walk around, no, ewan ko if you've noticed as we give you updates, wala tayong mga cable, no, na nakikita because we have an underground cabling system dito. So, napakalinis tignan ng development natin dito. So guess what? Saan kaya tayo ngayon, Miss Serena, no? So we're here at the penthouse level of Chelsea Parkplace wherein you could have the technically 360 view of the whole development of Capital Town. So wait lang, dito, papakita namin from here. Ayan. So this is the commercial area naman ni Capital Town.
The shop house district.
As you can see, may mga operational na dyan. We have the stand clicks. Ayun yun, no? Stand clicks. Ayan yan. And then also may ongoing na construction. Ayan, na malapit na siyang matapos. This, oh. And then, meron din doon. How many are the, ano?
Total shop houses, 98 po, Sir Alan.
98?
We have 98 shop houses in the 6 hectares shop house district of Capital Town, Pampanga. And currently, we still have 3 remaining commercial lots left.
Yes, so that's why message us to secure a commercial lot dito wherein you could put your own office or even your restaurants, no? Wait, there's more updates. So one of my favorites here in Capital Town is the Sam Hotel. So from this penthouse level, we could see the excavation na ngayon dito sa Savoy Hotel. So I'll show you. So as you can see, ayan, excavation na siya, and ayan yung Montreux. So katabi po niya is the Savoy Hotel. This is the 4-star hotel of Capital Town. Ayan. So I hope you've enjoyed our March 2025 updates here in Capital Town, Pampanga. So if you're interested to invest here dito sa 35.6 hectare development by Megaworld, so feel free to message us and we're more than happy to guide you on your next investment. So again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser. Together with me is
Serena Ginto, your broker coordinator manager.
So see you on our next vlog. So stay tuned for more updates. So don't forget to click and subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you soon. Bye for now.